Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Acura TL pop. We'll explore key modifications that transform your vehicle's presence, both audibly and visually. First, we'll discuss enhancing the exhaust note to give it a more aggressive sound. Then, we'll delve into performance tuning to boost engine power and responsiveness. Finally, we'll cover aesthetic upgrades that complete the transformation, ensuring your Acura TL turns heads wherever you go. To achieve that satisfying pop sound, consider a quality catback exhaust system. This upgrade replaces your factory exhaust from the catalytic converter back, often resulting in a deeper, more resonant tone. Many enthusiasts also opt for aftermarket mufflers or even resonator deletes to further amplify the engine's natural growl. These modifications can significantly enhance the auditory experience, making your Acura TL sound as good as it looks, especially during acceleration and downshifts. Beyond sound, making your Acura TL pop also means boosting its performance. Engine tuning, often through a reflash of the engine control unit, can optimize fuel delivery and ignition timing, unlocking an additional 10 to 20 horsepower. Pairing this with a cold air intake allows the engine to breathe better, further enhancing power. These internal modifications make your car feel more responsive and powerful, truly transforming the driving experience. Finally, to truly make your Acura TL pop, visual enhancements are crucial. Lowering the car with performance springs or coilovers by 1 to 2 inches not only improves handling, but also creates a more aggressive stance. Upgrading to stylish 18 or 19-inch aftermarket wheels dramatically changes its profile. Adding a subtle body kit or a rear spoiler can complete the transformation, ensuring your Acura TL looks as dynamic as it performs, turning heads everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.